20 hidden airport secrets airlines use to trick passengers. Air travel has become a routine part of modern life, but behind the scenes, airports and airlines often use clever tactics that passengers rarely notice. These hidden secrets can affect everything from how much you pay for your ticket to the comfort of your flight experience. Whether it's subtle pricing strategies, sneaky seating arrangements, or cleverly designed security lines, airlines and airports know exactly how to influence your decisions, often to increase their profits. In this countdown, we'll reveal 20 surprising airport and airline secrets that are designed to trick passengers, sometimes without them even realizing it. Knowing these insider tips can help you avoid common pitfalls, save money, and make your travel smoother and less stressful. From how ticket prices fluctuate mysteriously, to the way boarding groups are organized, and even the hidden fees that sneak onto your bill, we'll expose it all. So, whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning your next trip, stay tuned as we uncover the tricks and tactics airlines use every day. Understanding these secrets will give you the power to outsmart the system and take control of your travel experience. 20. The check-in counter scam. Remember the days when checking in at the airport was just normal? Well, not anymore, especially if you're flying with budget airlines like AirAsia, Ryanair, or Wizz Air. These carriers now charge a fee just for printing your boarding pass at the airport counter. Seriously, AirAsia, for example, can charge up to 30 Malaysian ringgit, about $7 US, per person if you didn't check in online ahead of time. Ryanair takes it even further. If you forget to check in online and show up without a printed boarding pass, you could face a fee of up to 55 euros. That's right. You might end up paying more for the piece of paper than the coffee you grabbed in the terminal. And here's the sneaky part. They don't always make this policy obvious when you book. It's buried in the fine print or in the barrage of confirmation emails no one reads. For older travelers or those not fluent in the language, it's an easy trap to fall into. It's not about convenience. It's about turning what used to be a standard part of the travel experience into a profit opportunity. Next time, check in online and save yourself the unnecessary charge and the dirty look from the check-in agent. 19. The upgrade auction. Let's say you booked an economy seat 3 months ago. You're all set, but a few days before your flight, you get an email. Bid now to upgrade to business class. Wait, didn't that seat cost $1,500 more when you booked? Why is it suddenly up for grabs? Welcome to the shady world of upgrade auctions, used by airlines like Lufthansa, Etihad, Virgin Atlantic, and even some routes on American and Air Canada. These silent auctions are framed as a customer perk, but they're actually a clever revenue machine. The airline double dips. They've already sold you an economy seat, and now they're hoping you'll fork over another chunk of change to sit further up the cabin. The kicker? You don't always win the bid, and if you do, you may still get less service than someone who paid full price. Some airlines even block you from using frequent flyer miles to bid, meaning you're paying cash for something that used to be a loyalty reward. It's like bidding for your own seat. Again. 18. The group seating shuffle. Ever book tickets for your family or a group of friends, only to find out at check-in that you're all seated in different rows, even when you booked months ahead? That's no accident. Airlines have quietly adopted software that deliberately splits up group reservations, unless you pay for seat selection. Even if seats together are available, the system will scatter you across the plane unless you shell out more cash. It's especially common on budget carriers like Spirit and Ryanair. Why? Because you're more likely to pay the seat selection fee when you're trying to avoid the dreaded middle seat of doom or to sit next to your child. And if you don't, good luck convincing a stranger to swap seats mid-flight. 17. The hidden insurance upsell. You've selected your flight, entered your details, and you're just about to click confirm booking. But wait, what's this extra charge? Airlines like Ryanair and some third-party booking sites automatically add travel insurance, or even carbon offset donations to your total. Sometimes it's buried in fine print. Sometimes you have to opt out through a tiny drop-down menu hidden under country of residence. Yep, they make declining the insurance harder than picking a good seat. The whole setup is designed to make you overlook the extra charge or click through out of frustration. It's a textbook dark pattern, one that exploits distraction and default settings to line the airline's pockets. 16. The in-flight Wi-Fi ripoff. Modern planes have Wi-Fi. Great, right? Well, yes and no, because once you're airborne, the price of logging on can be truly sky high. Airlines charge between $10 and $30 for in-flight internet, and that's usually per device. Want to switch from your phone to your laptop mid-flight? That might require buying a second plan. And if you thought you'd be streaming Netflix at 35,000 feet, think again. Many connections can barely handle email. Delta, United, and American have all been criticized for sluggish speeds and overpriced access, especially on international flights. But the biggest offense? That price doesn't reflect cost. The equipment's already on the plane, and airlines pay flat rates to internet providers like GoGo or Viasat. Your $19 pass is almost pure profit, especially when multiplied by hundreds of passengers per flight. To make matters worse, some airlines offer free Wi-Fi for text messaging only. Want to load a web page or check a map? That'll be $15. In the words of one travel blogger, it's like paying a cover charge to a party where the music doesn't work and the snacks are stale. Want to stay connected? Just download what you need before you fly, or brace yourself for the most expensive lag of your life. 15. The phantom seat fee. Have you ever booked a flight only to discover later that your favorite seat suddenly costs extra? Airlines often employ what's called the phantom seat fee strategy. They release a limited number of free seats during the initial booking phase, then mark the rest as premium with additional charges. What's sneaky is that some of these premium seats aren't even better. They might be in the middle or near the back, but you're forced to pay more to pick them. This tactic pressures passengers into paying extra just to sit where they want, even when no real upgrade exists. Airlines capitalize on passengers' desire for comfort or to sit with their companions. The hidden fee can add a significant cost to your ticket, especially for families or groups traveling together. Being aware of this trick can help you plan smarter. Book early to snag free seats, or consider whether paying extra is worth it. 14. Inflated baggage fees. Baggage fees have become a major source of revenue for airlines, but many passengers don't realize just how cleverly these fees are structured to maximize airline profits. Airlines often set low base ticket prices to attract customers, then hit them with high fees for checked bags, carry-ons, or even overweight luggage. What's trickier is that fees can vary dramatically depending on the airport, destination, or even the time of year. Some airlines also use confusing baggage policies, such as charging for a personal item if it's slightly larger than allowed. Additionally, fees for additional bags or overweight items can be surprisingly steep, catching travelers off guard at the gate. This tactic encourages passengers to pack lighter or pay up, turning baggage into a hidden moneymaker. Understanding baggage policies before you book or pack can help you avoid surprise fees and save money on your next trip. 13. Dynamic pricing that changes by the minute. Airlines use advanced algorithms that adjust ticket prices in real time based on demand, time of booking, and even your browsing habits. This practice, called dynamic pricing, means the price you see when you first search can change dramatically within minutes or hours. If you repeatedly check a flight, some airlines even hike prices, assuming you're eager to buy. Dynamic pricing is designed to create urgency and push you to purchase quickly before prices rise further. It also means last-minute bookings or peak travel times usually come with the highest costs. Many passengers don't realize that clearing cookies or searching in incognito mode can sometimes reveal cheaper fares. This secret tactic ensures airlines maximize their profits by charging what the market will bear, and often keeps travelers guessing whether they got the best deal. 12. The gate check sneak. Sometimes airlines suddenly announce at the gate that your carry-on bag must be gate checked, meaning you have to hand it over before boarding. This unexpected move often happens on full flights when overhead bin space is limited. While it sounds harmless, gate checking your bag can lead to delays in retrieving it after the flight and increases the risk of lost or damaged items. Airlines use this tactic to encourage passengers to pay for checked baggage up front or to manage crowded cabins more easily. Being aware can help you pack smart or opt for early boarding when possible. 11th, boarding group manipulation. Airlines often divide passengers into boarding groups to create a sense of order, but it's also a subtle way to upsell. Premium passengers, or those who pay extra, get to board earlier, securing overhead bin space and settling in comfortably. Meanwhile, economy passengers board last, often struggling to find space for their carry-on. This tactic pressures travelers to pay for priority boarding just to avoid the hassle. Many don't realize that even a small fee can guarantee earlier access and a more relaxed experience. Understanding this can help you decide if paying extra is worth it for your trip. 10. Hidden fuel surcharges. Fuel surcharges are extra fees airlines add to cover fluctuating fuel costs, but many passengers don't notice them separately because they're often bundled into the ticket price. Sometimes, these surcharges aren't clearly disclosed during booking, making the ticket appear cheaper than it actually is. This tactic lets airlines advertise lower base fares while still recouping fuel expenses. Since fuel prices can change rapidly, surcharges may vary between flights or even after purchase, catching travelers by surprise. Being aware of fuel surcharges can help you compare true ticket costs and avoid unexpected charges. 9. Misleading non-stop flight labels. Airlines often label flights as non-stop to attract passengers, implying a direct, quick journey. However, some non-stop flights include long layovers or hidden stops, not clearly disclosed during booking. This can extend travel time significantly, causing frustration. The tactic makes certain routes appear more convenient while allowing airlines to charge premium prices. Passengers expecting a direct flight might be surprised by delays or additional stops. Always double-check the flight details and durations to avoid falling for this trick, and ensure you book the fastest, most convenient route for your trip. 8. Overpriced airport food and drinks. Airlines and airports know travelers are often hungry and thirsty, especially during delays. That's why airport food and drinks come with inflated prices, sometimes 2 to 3 times higher than outside prices. This tactic capitalizes on captive passengers with limited options. Additionally, some airlines charge for basic beverages on board, turning simple refreshments into profit centers. While convenient, these hidden costs can add up quickly during your trip. Bringing your own snacks or researching nearby dining options can help you avoid paying premium prices for food and drinks while traveling. 7. Unnecessary layovers to boost profits. Airlines sometimes route flights with unnecessary layovers to maximize profits. Instead of direct flights, passengers get booked on longer routes with 1 or more stops, increasing ticket prices and travel time. These layovers often happen at airline hubs, allowing companies to fill more seats and charge more for each leg of the journey. While it may seem inconvenient, this strategy benefits airlines by boosting ticket sales and fees for connections. Always check for direct flight options. Even if they cost a bit more upfront, it might save time, money, and hassle in the long run. 6. Sneaky extra fees for preferred seating. Airlines often charge extra for preferred or extra legroom seats, but the reality is many of these seats offer little more than a slight view advantage or are located near busy areas like bathrooms or galleys. Passengers are enticed to pay for these seats, thinking they're getting a significant upgrade. This tactic tricks travelers into spending more without getting much added comfort. Sometimes, the so-called premium seats don't justify the price, and you might be better off selecting standard seats early or opting for airlines with more generous legroom policies. Always weigh the true value before paying extra. 5. Confusing refund and cancellation policies. Many airlines have complicated refund and cancellation rules designed to confuse passengers and discourage changes. Fees for canceling or changing flights can be steep, and some non-refundable tickets offer little to no flexibility. The fine print often hides these restrictions, leading travelers to pay hefty penalties or lose their entire fare. Airlines use these policies to protect their revenue, especially during peak seasons or busy routes. Being unaware can cost you both time and money. Always read the terms carefully before booking and consider travel insurance or flexible ticket options if your plans might change. Fourth, manipulative flight delay announcements. Flight delays are frustrating for any traveler, but airlines sometimes use delay announcements strategically to manage crowds and maximize profits. When a flight is delayed, passengers tend to stay in lounges or buy food and drinks while waiting, which increases airport revenue. In some cases, airlines might delay flights longer than necessary to avoid last-minute cancellations or to ensure more passengers buy upgrades or change fees. The communication about delays can also be vague or inconsistent, making it difficult for travelers to plan or seek alternatives. This tactic keeps passengers in limbo, often stuck without clear answers, creating stress and uncertainty. While not all delays are intentional, being aware of this can help you stay calm and prepared. Monitoring your flight status via apps and staying in touch with airline representatives can minimize the impact of such delays. 3. The boarding shuttle. How airlines control passenger flow. Boarding a flight may seem straightforward, but airlines use a complex system to manage passenger flow that also benefits their bottom line. Passengers are divided into groups based on ticket class, loyalty status, or whether they paid for priority boarding. This stratification creates a tiered experience where those who pay more or have elite status get to board earlier, securing overhead bin space and comfortable seating. However, the system can also cause frustration for economy passengers who board last and often scramble to find space for carry-on bags. Airlines intentionally limit overhead space or oversell flights, knowing that many will have to check bags at the gate, sometimes for free, but often for a fee. This boarding shuffle encourages passengers to pay extra for priority boarding or checked baggage, adding to airline profits. Moreover, boarding groups can be shuffled last minute, creating confusion and stress. Knowing how this system works can help you decide if paying for early boarding is worth the cost and plan your arrival at the gate accordingly. 2. Hidden charges disguised as taxes and fees. When booking a flight, the final price often includes numerous taxes and fees that aren't clearly explained. Airlines sometimes bundle extra charges into these line items, making it hard for passengers to understand what they're actually paying for. What looks like government-imposed taxes can include airline-imposed fees for things like security, fuel, airport usage, or even passenger facility charges. This lack of transparency benefits airlines by making their base fares appear lower, attracting budget-conscious travelers. However, these hidden fees can add a significant amount to your ticket price, sometimes even exceeding the advertised cost. Passengers frequently overlook these costs until the payment stage, feeling surprised or frustrated. Some airlines even add service charges for using certain payment methods, or for paper tickets. Being aware of this tactic allows you to compare true costs between airlines and routes better. Always review the detailed fare breakdown before purchasing and consider booking through reputable travel sites that clearly display all fees up front. 1. The price discrimination algorithm. The #1 hidden secret airlines use to trick passengers is price discrimination through sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms analyze your browsing history, location, device type, and even the time you search for flights to adjust ticket prices dynamically. For example, if you repeatedly check a route on your phone, prices may increase, assuming you're eager to buy. Airlines also differentiate prices based on where you search from. Someone booking from a wealthy area might see higher fares than someone searching from a less affluent region. They track cookies and IP addresses to personalize prices, making it nearly impossible to find the same fare twice. This strategy pressures passengers to buy quickly before prices climb higher, creating a sense of urgency. Unfortunately, it means two travelers looking at the same flight may see vastly different prices. To outsmart this, clear your browser cookies, use incognito mode, or try searching from different devices and locations. Being aware of these algorithms gives you a better chance of scoring the best deal. Now that you know these 15 hidden secrets airlines use to trick passengers, you're better equipped to spot their tactics and save money. Stay informed, plan ahead, and take control of your travel experience. Safe travels, and don't let the airlines catch you off guard again.